Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Iran will act decisively after big protests in year, President says. Dubai returns Iran must deal decisively with protests which have swept the country after the death in custody of a woman detained by the Islamic Republic Morality Police. President Ibrahim Raisi said on Saturday. At least 41 people have been killed in the week-long unrest, state television said on Saturday. It said that toll was based on its own count, and official figures were yet to be released. Protests have erupted in most of the country's 31 provinces. State media quoted Raisi on Saturday as saying Iran must deal decisively with those who oppose the country's security and tranquility. Raisi was speaking by telephone to the family of a member of the Basij volunteer force killed while taking part in the crackdown on unrest in the northeastern city of Mashhad. The president stressed the necessity to distinguish between protests and disturbing public order and security, and called the event a riot, state media reported. The protests broke out in northwestern Iran a week ago at the funeral of Mahsa Amini, a 22-year-old Kurdish woman who died after falling into a camp following her detention in Tehran by morality police enforcing hijab rules on women's dress. Her death has reignited anger over issues including restriction on personal freedoms in Iran, the street dress codes for women, and an economy reeling from sanction. Women have played a prominent role in the protest, weaving and burning their veils. Some have publicly cut their hair as furious crowds called for the fall of Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The protests are the largest to sweep the country since demonstrations over full price in 2019, when Reuters report 1,500 people were killed in a crackdown on protesters. The Buddhist confrontation in the Islamic Republic history. On Friday, state-organized rallies took place in several Iranian cities to counter the anti-government protests, and the army promised to confront the enemies behind the unrest. In neighboring Iraq, dozens of Iraqi and Iranian Kurds rallied outside the UN compound in the northern city of Erbil on Saturday, carrying placards with Amini's photograph and chanting "Death to the dictator," referring to Khamenei. State television in Iran, which has accused armed exiled Iranian Kurdish dissidents of involvement in the unrest, said Iranian Revolutionary Guards has fired artillery on base of Kurdish opposition groups in the Kurdish region of northern Iraq. Last 3 times this week, mobile internet has been disrupted in Iran, the netblock watchdog has reported. Activists say the move is intended to prevent video footage of the violence reaching the world. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.